Hey, welcome back everyone. If you're looking to turn off restricted mode on your iPhone, the process is quite simple. So let's get started. So let's start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. From there, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then navigate to Content and Privacy Restrictions. At the top of this page, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply turn it off. When you do this, your iPhone will prompt you to enter the Screen Time passcode. If you're the one who set it up, just enter the passcode and the restrictions will be disabled instantly. If you ever need to turn them back on, just toggle the switch back on. Now, if you don't know the passcode, don't worry. All you gotta do is go back. Then tap on Change Screen Time Passcode. Proceed with Change Screen Time Passcode. From here, tap on Forgot Passcode. Now you can reset Screen Time Passcode using your Apple ID credentials. After the reset, you can turn off restricted mode on your iPhone. Turning off restricted mode on your iPhone is a straightforward process. Apple's screen time and content restrictions are designed to protect users, especially children, from inappropriate content and unwanted changes to device settings. But if you need to disable them for legitimate reasons, turning off restricted mode is the solution. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.